The focus of the powertrain, however, is less on electric range and more on best-in-class performance. With 590 kilowatts, 802 HP, of system output and 1430 Nm of system torque, the saloon sets new standards in the segment. The acceleration of 3.3 seconds to 100 km per hour and the optional top speed of 290 km per hour underline the superior, dynamic driving performance. Systems such as the AMG RIDE CONTROL and suspension, AMG ACTIVE RIDE CONTROL roll stabilisation and rear axle steering as standard ensure a wide spread between driving dynamics and comfort. The S-Class has always had a very special meaning for us. In 1971, it made the AMG brand famous overnight with its legendary appearance in the Spa 24-hour race. This was undoubtedly an important foundation stone for our rise as a performance and sports car brand with global significance. With e-performance, we are now opening a new chapter. Never before has a luxury saloon so perfectly combined best-in-class performance with superior comfort and virtually silent electric driving. In this way, we are also opening up to highly discerning target groups who see Mercedes-AMG as the performance luxury brand of the 21st century. With the most powerful S-Class of all time, however, we are not only going our own technical way, as is characteristic of AMG, but also making a strong visual statement. For the first time, the S-Class saloon also has our AMG-specific radiator grille, so the brand affiliation is closer than ever before. With our unique e-performance in the AMG S-Class, we are also setting another technological milestone in electrification in this segment. Our exclusive high-performance battery is used in the S63 with a significantly higher capacity than previously known, which increases the electric range. The performance hybrid layout with a combustion engine at the front and an electric drive unit at the rear axle not only offers a superior driving experience, but also significantly increases efficiency. The optimized weight distribution, best possible utilisation of torque and very responsive power delivery promise driving dynamics and driving refinement at the highest level. In addition to the technically sophisticated powertrain, we also pulled out all the stops with the suspension to achieve the greatest possible spread between comfort and driving dynamics. For example, the combination of air suspension, rear axle steering and active roll stabilization is on board for the first time in an AMG S-Class.